Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I know I've been off of the YouTube and social media for a few months, but well, I come back when I have when I have the opportunity, when I have the shot to do it. So today's subject and topic is going to be about people that they always say that they're ugly, even they're not, and they always put in their mind that they have something wrong with their physical appearance. So you've been told that you're ugly many times. At the face value, females or males are not even or simply attracted to you. It sucks. Trust me, I know. Also, I have not been graced with the best genetics, but it's not the end of the world. So through this video we will discuss some points and some tips that will help you to deal with this mindset and this idea of putting yourself as someone ugly. Okay, you're not ugly, you're beautiful the way you are. So guys, the first one, I think that if you're below 18, you're still a teen adult or just in a puberty period, I have to tell you that it's just a phase. Okay, that's because your physical appearance might not be 100% looks like every single piece of it in 25 or 13. You might be more beautiful. Yep. Sometimes it's your face, sometimes it's your age. If you're below 18 years old and you don't think the world of yourself, you're not alone. Even after puberty, people's faces still continue to change way past into their early 20s. You might not like what you see in the mirror until you look 25. So before you define yourself as the hunchback of the Notre Dame, make sure you're actually being realistic about your expectations. Are you someone who is in a rough patch in their life? Being ugly might just be a manifestation of all the stress in your life. Are you a teen anxiously entering her adult years? Ask yourself, being ugly might just be your body preparing you to become the beautiful person you will be. So, guys, imagine if you're ugly. So what? You're gonna blame your parents about their genetics? You're gonna wake up every single day feeling bad about your appearance and about the way you look? You're ugly. Now, so what? Are you going to wake up every day feeling bad about yourself? Are you going to avoid doing the things you want to do, experiencing life by your terms, and being the person you know you can be, simply because you don't look as attractive as the people on TV? At the end of the day, however attractive or unattractive your face may be, nothing hurts you more than your own mindset. No one is a bigger critic of yourself than you are, because no one else thinks you matter as much as you do. Let it go and allow yourself to be happy in the ways you want to be. Don't let the schoolyard bullies make you believe that you don't deserve happiness simply because you aren't very good looking. The great news is you can still live life on your terms no matter how you look. You have to know that beauty is not the whole package in this world. Even you're beautiful. A lot of people that I know are handsome and beautiful, but to be honest, I don't like them because of their personality, because of their arrogance, because of their bad vibes. So it's not only the beauty that attracts people to you, but we don't have like to fall in the society traditional standards that we see in in Instagram, Facebook. This is fake one. So don't put these standards on yourself and try to compare yourself to them. You're gonna fall down. So you don't fall into society traditional standards for beauty. What then? That doesn't spell the end for your life. As terrible as it might seem right now, the truth is your physical appearance has a limited impact on the person you're going to become. Too many people end up focusing on what they look like and forget to develop the different aspects of their personality that do matter. Feeling sorry for yourself, take this as a challenge to excel and become the best person you can be. After all, you can always change an ugly face, but it takes years to work on an ugly personality. The other one is we have to accept our look and to accept and be at the peace of the way we look. This is not just understanding why you are ugly, but accept means being at the peace with the way you look. You don't hold resentment towards your parents for looking the way you do. You don't act like a victim. Instead, you take responsibility for the way you look, you accept it, you deal with it, and you spend your time on things you can control. After all, there is no point in worrying about the way you look, it's wasted energy. But it's important to realize that you're not alone in feeling ugly. A lot of people do for a wide range of reasons, even those people you would consider beautiful. Insecurity about how we look is pretty common. So, if you can learn to accept how you feel, then you're doing yourself a big favor. Not only are you not wasting time worrying about your looks, but you won't be insecure as well. Self acceptance breeds confidence because you know who you are and you're going to make the most of it. And we all know that people that are confident are attractive. I tell you that, and you might not know it, that you have a better chance of developing a healthy and long-term relationship if you're not that handsome or that beautiful or pretty. You know that? Connection and personality play a far greater role when someone decides that they officially want to date someone. Sure, hookups and one night stands might be a little more difficult for you, but when it comes to being in a proper relationship, looks just aren't as important. When I look at the relationships I've been in, looks wear off very quickly. Personalities and how they interact are the most important factors of a healthy relationship. Appearance simply isn't important when it comes to finding true love. The road to finding love won't be easy, but will be worth all the effort when you finally find it. You will know in your heart without a sliver of doubt that your partner loves you for who you are. They transcend physical expectations and see your soul for what it is, really it is. Most people never live on this earth for so long, never get the opportunity to find a connection like that. When it comes to you, you will definitely be one of the lucky ones. When you accept yourself, you stop worrying about what other people say about yourself and about you. Just ignore people. Just ignore what people they might say or might think about you and your appearance and your whole life. It's your life, it's not theirs. So accept yourself the way you are. This is probably the most important point on the reasons I focused so much on acceptance throughout this video. Is because you won't react negatively when someone comments on your appearance. After all, you accept how you look and you know who you are. So whatever anyone says shouldn't affect you in the slightest. The truth is, people are going to judge you regardless, and we all age, so at some point looks don't become important. So you might not be that good looking person, but surely you have something inside that you're gonna be proud of, like being so honorable, so kind, so helpful. And these criteria and these manners are the most important, like, things in a long-term relationship, and that's why attract people more than beauty. That society is very fake. That's why we always think that beauty is everything. Yeah, you might attract that person like for a bit, for a month, if you're pretty or good looking person, but having a good manners, that's what will last till the end of the life, till the end of it. So find something good inside you and you will be more confident about your look.
If you can't look in the mirror and be proud of your physical appearance looking back at you, then it's up to you to find the stuff below the surface that you can be proud of. So ask yourself, what do you love about yourself? Or what could you love about yourself if you worked on it? Are you a kind of person? Are you courageous, righteous, and honorable? Do you improve the lives of those around you? Do you have talents and skills that other people don't have? What makes you beautiful, even more beautiful than people who have great looks?
You know, when you're among a lot of people or a gathering with your friends and that people that even you don't know, and if you have this certain insecurity, whenever someone look at you, you'll be like, he thinks that I'm not good, he's thinking that I'm not pretty, he thinks that I'm not beautiful, and that's wrong. That's very wrong. He might say something good and you think that he's like looking at you like, I don't like you or something. No, you have to know that people don't care as much as you think.
When you have major insecurities, that it can be hard to get out of your head. Every time someone looks at you, you might be thinking about how much they're judging the things you hate about yourself, whether it's your weight or your acne, your big nose, or anything else. People don't care about your hangs up as much as you think. The world couldn't care less about you. The things you hate most about yourself are just normal, meaningless treats to the strangers around you. So let it go and let the imaginary criticism leave your head. You can never work towards being better and more confident if you keep dreaming up the ways people are mocking you, even when they're not.
So guys, that was it. That was the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking till the end of it, and please put these tips and these things to practice in order to overcome all these insecurities about your physical appearance, because it's very essential to do it, and especially in your early age, so you can have more confidence and to understand that beauty is not everything. Beauty is periodic, and all it matters is your manners, your kindness, your honor, your being helpful, your being comprehensive. That all that matter for this life. Beauty, it lasts not. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, share with your friends, so everyone